This is Octember fail 2022 number 4. The window handle broke. This handle was always kind of flaky ever since I moved in here, but it worked okay. And then we had a kind of a freak warm day the other day. It was almost 70 degrees, which is super unusual for this time of year. Temperatures are normally like 20, 30, 40. So I opened the window, and as I was opening the window, this started to bend significantly. And then I went to close the window, and it just broke. So now I'm going to have to get a new handle. I think I can probably just like replace this. I don't know if this is part of it. I think just this piece needs to get replaced. This is probably fine. It seems to work okay still. So this will be a spring project. This is kind of a non-issue for now. I won't be opening the windows much, if at all, for several months. And if I really need to open the windows down here, I have the other window there, which is working just fine.